So sweetie, these are food. So welcome back, sweetie, to Cook with Grace Kiswe. In today's video, we'll be making spaghetti with a bit of twist. Okay, so in your frying pan, add some olive oil, some ginger and garlic, then add some onions. The reason was saute it to get this flavor. In my next pot, I have a water boiling already, so I add the spaghetti. Then I add a little oil. The reason for it so that it will not stick. Okay, then cover and let it cook. Then after that, add my fresh rosemary, then add this sausage. You add masala, add some paprika, then stir. Fry to allow this or the sausage fried for a bit. Now, remember, I told you in my previous video, I always boiled my sausage before frying them. So I've already boiled them, then chop them to a smaller chunk before doing this. After like 10 more minutes of frying, scoop them and set it aside. Add more fresh rosemary, add onions in your pan. Now this time around we're trying to get the sauce for the spaghetti like I earlier said. Then allow it to fry, saute, add more garlic and ginger, saute it to get this nice aroma. Yeah, after that you add our fresh tomato. Now, remember, we are trying to get the sauce for this. If today's your first time coming to this channel, welcome, and this is Cook with Grace Kiswe. Please, sweetie, tell me where you're watching this video from, and I will send you a hug in my next video, okay? So let's continue. Add some seasoning, stir, stir, stir. Please, if you like this video and find it interesting, please don't hesitate to give us a like, share, subscribe, and get notified anytime I post a new video. Please always make sure your environment is clean. I keep emphasizing on it. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Cover and allow the tomato to boil for like 10 to 15 more minutes. By then it has dried its water. You can even see the flavor wasn't everywhere. Add your fresh blended pepper or scotch bonnet to give it this bit of hotness. You know, we Africans, we can eat without anything heat. Okay, that's one thing about me. Then at this junction, the next thing you do, cover, you allow saute, boil for like 5 more minutes. 5 minutes later, all you need to do now is to add salt, stir it properly, then bring out all those your veggies. The veggies we shaded, okay, the carrots, sweet corn, red bell pepper, yellow, red, and green bell peppers. Then get them and add them into that tomato sauce which you've already prepared. Stir and allow it to saute for like 3 to 5 minutes. You should not exceed that part. Then you just get out your spaghetti and add your cooked spaghetti. Add it in there, and what you do next, the density, you add those your sauce already, then you stir properly. Yeah, I kind of add oyster sauce to give it this more nice taste and flavor. Okay, then you stir, mix properly, and cover, allow it for 5 more minutes because we don't want our vegetables to be overcooked. No, we don't want them. So we want everything to be at its normal size and its normal taste, okay, so that we'll gain that vitamins that we get from these vegetables and what this food has to give. Okay, so you cover, allow it to sit for like 2 to 3 minutes. With our food is ready. When I mean it's ready, at this time, oh, it's ready to be served. Get your plate, serve it as it is hot. Oh my darling, as it is hot, serve it. Add your spaghetti. I tried making this time, but I didn't get it, my darling, so I had to do it this way. So after placing the spaghetti, the next thing I did was to add the whole sausage. This particular sausage, I boiled it like I said earlier. I boiled it and I just fry it a bit, then add my boiled egg with some pepper sauce. Oh my god, at this junction everywhere is already woozy. My tummy is already saying take me, eat me, sweetie. So after doing that, I need to have some, not only some vitamins, I need some veggies. I add some boiled spinach, sweetie. Now you're eating this combo. It's not only that you're getting this enough, you're not getting just only the meal, you're also getting enough vitamins, nutrients, and it's also healthy, you know, which is very much important to us. Okay, I hope you'll be trying this. Let me know at the comment section. Love you all and see you all my next one, sweetie. Bye bye.